Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and this is my husband Aaron. He helps with unboxings. Here on my channel, I do a lot of unboxings. I do makeup related material, and I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic material and mental health issues. If you are into...
And you're also fabulous.
Well, of course, that goes without saying.
Nah.
If you are into any of those subjects, or if you're into all of them, I highly suggest you hit that red subscribe and tap that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified of all my upcoming videos. So, if you are interested in seeing what is in the March BoxyCharm Premium, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, thank you for picking this video and spending some time with us today. We highly appreciate you. And yeah, okay, if you are new to BoxyCharm, this is the premium box. You get 6 full-size items. You get to choose 2 of them, and it costs about $40 now since they've gone up in price. It's a little bit bigger box, and when you open the box, you can tell it's the premium box because it is blue.
Oh, I did not know that.
The base box is red.
Okay.
And
that secret box that only the VIP people get, like, is gold, right?
yeah. And I did not get to choose, even though I wanted to get the Charlotte Tilbury
Charlotte Tilbury, darling.
foundation, because that crap sold out quick.
Yeah.
But I do own that foundation, and I really like it a lot.
Wouldn't you like to have tea with Charlotte Tilbury? I'd love to have some tea and scones with it, darling.
I imagine she's pretty insufferable.
Oh my. Better hope she doesn't see this. I think we're probably straight.
Okay.
Game Changer. Celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Hashtag boss babe.
That kind of makes me cringe a little bit.
Hashtag cringe a little bit. So, what do we got?
Okay,
Let's check it out.
This is
What's
what I chose, and this is what I got to choose instead of the foundation. But I was really excited about this. What?
No, okay.
Is the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream by Alicia Keys.
What does it transform you into?
I don't know.
Oh.
Can you read about this?
This could be interesting. Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream, fragrance-free with bakuchiol.
Yeah.
A fragrance-free, hydrating, and moisturizing face cream that helps reveal plumped and radiant skin. Okay, so I guess it just transforms your skin into nicer-looking skin. I was thinking maybe, like, turn you into a unicorn or something, but no. With bakuchiol, malachite, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. Malachite's a stone mineral, semi-precious. Yeah. This is a semi-precious cream. New to Boxy, MSRP, $30.
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, it is fragrance-free. I don't know if I would use this during the day or not. It seems pretty light. So probably something I could use during the day.
It also takes Heartless away from you.
Okay, next I have the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer.
Ah, yes. Ciate London, darling.
By Ciate London.
Prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application. With a cushiony texture, this primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. MSRP $32, dollars. Societe London.
Okay, they give us a lot of primers.
Just keep layering them on and layering them on until you can't see your skin no more.
Can you read the back of this?
Vitamin C Glass Glow.
Can you read the ingredients, Madeline?
Ingredients. It's very shiny. Ingredients, there's a lot of them. Aqua, water, ew. Hydrogenated didacine, hydrogenated polydicine, isododecane, propanediol, glycerin, cetyl PEG PPG10/1, dimethicone, hydrogenated styrene /isoprene co-polymer, polyglycerol 3-deosteroate sodium.
That's enough!
That was like 17 more.
So it does have dimethicone in it, so it is a silicone.
It's got all sorts of things.
So it is a silicone.
Whatever ails you, it's got it in there.
But,
Fix you up a treat, mate.
it does have water in it. It's the first ingredient. But it does also have dimethicone in it as well. Like I know what I'm talking about. But I think I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because...
Pass that load of chemicals on to somebody else, then. I'm just kidding. And like you said, you get a lot of primers.
I have a lot of primers.
Maybe too many
but
primers.
the only one I really use is the No Pore Blum primer. And, that's really the only one that fills in my pores well. And, so, yeah, I'm going to be passing that along.
All right, then.
Next, I love a good eye mask. This is the Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink Eye Mask. Collagen boosting. Okay. 12 pairs. Wow.
Shall I read the description, darling?
Sure.
These pretty and pink eye masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, formulated with palmitoyl tripeptide 5 to stimulate and boost collagen production, fructose to attract and retain moisture in the skin, and horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries by dark circles. These eye masks are the key to improving skin texture and firmness. Am I better in pink, darling? Says everything.
Okay. The
I'm
next...
just all pink head to toe.
Next thing I'm turning... Oh, something from Nabla.
Nabla. Dreamy, creamy liquid lipstick.
Oh, lipstick.
It's the perfect dream. A liquid lipstick with a luminous finish and a rich and creamy
lipstick.
texture. The adherent and hyperpigmented formula plumps up the lips with a long-lasting comfort. MSRP $16 at Nabla Cosmetics' new brand, Boxy.
I don't love a liquid lipstick, but that's a pretty color.
But you're not mad at it.
I'm not mad at it.
You're not mad at it at all.
I'll just put a gloss over it. I love Nabla stuff.
What's next on the agenda?
Okay, something from Aether Beauty. Big Bang.
Aether. The Big Bang Mascara.
Mascara.
Mascara that created the universe. The ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara. Yeah. That truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. $28. That's pretty cheap for having diamonds in it.
Okay, I have a lot of mascaras. I saw the wand on this. And it's very small. I don't know.
Almost microscopic.
I'm not going to open this because it'll start the clock on it. I've got a lot open right now. And I don't know if I want to keep that or not. So it might go in a giveaway. It might not. So, okay. The next thing, I think I chose this. It's the Nuco, the pill, vitamin C plus...
Not the old code, the new code.
Plus alpha hydroxy acids plus hydraulic acid.
Got a little pill rotating on the side there like that. It's like Dr. Mario right there. This is a single daily dose of high-potency actives. Actives. Designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Combining the best of clinical and natural delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. You were just telling me the other day that you were worried about being able to layer multiple acids safely, weren't you? I like to layer my acids. Just stack them on, yeah.
Oh, I stack on lots of stuff.
Yeah. Layer those acids. MSRP, $85.
Wow, $85.
At the new _co.
Well, that goes on really smooth. Oh. The smell is unfortunate.
Let me see. Let me see again. Not like something that you're like frying up or something.
No. I guess
That's the high potency actives that you're smelling.
I guess.
The higher the potency, the weirder the smell. That's a standard cosmetological truth.
Okay. So, will you start adding
I will.
Okay. In this box, which...
$900. No, that's not it.
Which I'm not mad at, but I got one thing of makeup. I don't know if you consider primer makeup. Oh, this is makeup. But they've kind of stopped putting palettes in the big box. Okay. I've got the Ciate Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. I got the Aether Beauty Big Bang Mascara. I got the Nuco, the Pale All-in-One Serum with alpha hydroxy acids, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, which I love a good serum.
You gotta get your hyaluronic acid.
Oh, everything I own has hyaluronic acid in it.
Well,
The Nabla liquid lipstick, which I'm excited about. The Grace and Stella eye masks, which I'm excited about. And the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream, which I am excited about. How much did all that come to?
$215.
$215, which with the premium box, they say $175 or more dollars worth of stuff.
All right.
So
Made it with room to spare.
yeah, and yeah, I really like this. I'm looking forward to trying this out. These two items will probably go into a giveaway, and yeah, I like this box. If I had to rate it 1 out of 5 stars, I'd probably give it a 3.
I'd give it a 3 1/4.
I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad at it either. I'm a little disappointed in it.
I'm not mad at you. I'm just a little disappointed.
You just didn't make some right choices.
I don't mind getting skincare in the boxes. I know a lot of people get mad about getting a lot of skincare, but I really like skincare stuff.
Should make it like half and half, you know? Or something.
Yeah.
I give you like 5 skincare things sometimes.
Yeah. I mean, I have a lot of makeup,
I
but
only use so many serums.
I can go through skincare faster than I can go through makeup.
Yeah.
But that's just a personal
Well, it comes in
preference.
little tiny things too. You just, I don't know. As you were. I don't know what I was going to say.
But I definitely prefer getting makeup, but like I don't mind getting this kind of things. I don't mind getting creams because like then I don't have to go and pay $30 for it. So yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Give this this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And, yeah, leave a comment down below. Do you get this box? What did you get in your box? How do you feel about getting skincare over makeup? Do you prefer getting more skincare? Do you prefer getting more makeup? Just tell us how your day is going. We love hearing from you. We are nosy, so we just want to know. So, okay. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and kickstarts your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic weekend or week whenever you are watching this, wherever in the world you are, day or night. And if you're having an especially hard time, we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes to you. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, drink your water.
Drink all the water.
Stay safe out there. And, okay, we will see you tomorrow for another video. And just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.